Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to send a Google Calendar invite through email. If you want to schedule meetings, events, or reminders and notify attendees directly, we will walk you through how to create an invite and send it via email. Let's get started. First, open Google Calendar and click on the date or time slot where you want to create the event. We will create a new event and give it a title. For this example, we will call it Sample. Next, we will add our guests by entering their email addresses. Once the time looks good, we can also add a description or any details about the event. When everything is ready, just set the guest permissions. Then, click Save. A prompt will appear asking if you want to send emails to the guests. Go ahead and click Send. The email invitations will now be sent to each guest's email address. Let's check this in our email. We will open Gmail and switch to the correct account. Here, we can see the invite for our event. As you can see, the invitation includes all the event details along with some useful links. And that's it. Our Google Calendar invite has been sent through email, making it simple for attendees to RSVP and stay on top of their schedule.